What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. This one's not going to be a full-length video because, well, I'm doing a lot of knickknacks, but we are going to show you the knickknacks I've been doing along with what we're planning on doing in the upcoming videos. So check it out. So one of the main things we'll be tackling is a lot of carbon fiber work, both repairs, finalizing cuts, and making new parts. Now, as you can see, the suspension's back off the car because we needed to make sure there was enough clearance for my dry sump tank underneath the bodywork. In order to do that, sadly, the front and rear suspension needed to come off the car. Now, the wiring still has a lot of tidying up to do, but at least it can be zip tied into location now with all of the zip tie clamps. We still have some projects we need to complete, like installing the Flagtronics. We've got the SmartyCam 3 unit in place, but we're gonna need to install the cameras. We've got a radiator and oil cooler package on loan from John that we're gonna need to replicate and modify to work with my car. So our next video is gonna cover how we install the dorsal fin into my Store WF1. We're just about done with this project, and that video will be coming soon, so keep your eyes peeled and get ready to check it out.